Discover how to leverage Facebook, the largest social media platform, to get targeted traffic and conversions and begin profiting fast. Could you benefit from more targeted traffic? If you're like most online marketers, as well as traditional business owners, the answer is very likely a big yes. You probably know that traffic is the lifeline of any online business. Of course, when it comes to generating traffic online, you have a lot of options. Many people looking for traffic online start out by looking at traditional traffic methods. On the surface, those techniques sound great. Getting clicks, visitors, and ultimately sales for traffic that didn't cost you a dime makes for a great return on your investment. After all, if the traffic is free, your investment is zero, right? Wrong. Traffic does not hold any value unless it is super targeted, be it free or paid traffic method. Not only will you often find yourself spending countless hours working on an untargeted, unreliable, unpredictable traffic method, you may also find that many traditional traffic methods just aren't as effective as they're made out to be. When it comes to traffic, you need extremely targeted traffic that is ready to take action. A lot of traditional traffic sources may get you an abundance of clicks, but if they don't opt in or buy, what's the point? The other risk with traditional traffic is that you can end up spending a lot of time and doing a lot of hard work for nothing. Most traditional traffic methods are based on SEO, blogging, or ranking in the search engines in some way or another. All it takes is one small algorithm change by the search engines, and all of your hard work can literally disappear overnight. When you consider the time it takes to get traditional traffic flowing, the poor conversions you often get from these traditional traffic, and the risk of wasting a lot of time and effort, it makes traditional traffic a lot less appealing than it seems on the surface. So, what's the alternative? Facebook marketing. Many people are familiar with the opportunity Facebook provides to get both free and paid from 1.3 billion active monthly users. In fact, it's one of the most common free traffic methods taught online today. But simply posting them on Facebook is unlikely to get you the results you're after all by yourself. When you take things to the next level and leverage Facebook in the right way, you can get traffic flowing much faster, improve your targeting, and get higher quality traffic. Leverage Facebook's multiple platforms like groups, fan pages, etc. Begin making money from that traffic as soon as today. Why Facebook, you may be wondering? After all, there are a lot of free and paid traffic platforms out there. Here's why marketing on Facebook is superior to all of them. Facebook currently has over 1.3 billion users, largest social media, and those users are spend quality time on Facebook every single day. Facebook is the only platform which has in-depth demographic data about each user's interests, likes, etc. in any niche. Why? Because people love hanging out on Facebook. Imagine how powerful it will be to get your offer in front of people who are interested or looking for exactly that product or services. Users on Facebook are some of the most engaged users online because they love viewing posts, liking, and commenting on them. In fact, next to Google, Facebook is the internet's most searched site. And with Facebook marketing, you can get traffic flowing and in front of your target market within minutes. That means you could start seeing opt-ins and even sales as soon as today. The traffic you'll get with Facebook marketing is super targeted and highly engaged. That's a recipe for success because targeted, engaged traffic converts. Getting started with Facebook marketing is pretty simple on the surface. But there are some key details you must understand and pay attention to if you want to get the best results possible with Facebook marketing. Many people struggle with Facebook marketing in the beginning because they don't fully understand how to get the most from the platform. The benefits of doing things right are huge. You'll have more targeted, converting traffic than you know what to do with, right at your fingertips. But do things wrong and you'll continue to struggle to get traffic, or worse. You could put your Facebook account at risk and even get banned. To see success and avoid the most common pitfalls, you'll need to get training from someone that has seen success with Facebook marketing. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to getting massive, high-quality traffic with Facebook marketing. This training is based on what's working right now, not months ago. Unfortunately, there are a lot of outdated training tactics and methods out there that will have you running in circles. This step-by-step guide will give you everything you need to see big results very quickly. Inside, you'll discover why right now, 2016 going into 2017, is the best time to make Facebook a part of your marketing plan. Facebook is getting better by the day. How to get started marketing on Facebook even if you don't have any technical skills. If you can click your mouse and email you all of the skills you need to see success with Facebook. How to quickly add 5,000 friends from your target market in Facebook within 90 days or less. The little-known trick to getting unlimited Facebook subscribers and followers for free. Imagine how much traffic you could generate with tens of thousands of followers and subscribers. How to combine bridge marketing and Facebook chat to generate $100, $200, or more per day with just a few minutes of work. The dark side of Facebook explained. We Facebook dark posts in detail and how to use this information to make even more money. The right way to use Facebook ads without spending a fortune. If you have a few bucks to invest, you'll learn how to combine it with your overall FB marketing strategy and get massive results. The easy way to get raving fans for life for just pennies. Did we mention that these raving fans will tell all of their friends about you and stuff your PayPal account full of cash? The super sneaky way to use Facebook to spy on your competition, tap into their traffic, and hijack their sales. Don't worry, it's legal. Plus, a whole lot more. Enact no stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step Facebook marketing guide. If you're an affiliate marketer, trying to build up your mailing list, a CPA marketer, a product owner, a consultant or coach, or even an offline business owner, you need to get your hands on this training that will get you more traffic than you ever thought possible. And not just any traffic. Traffic that you can easily convert into subscribers and put money into your pocket very quickly. The best about this training is the price. Although this step-by-step guide has everything you need to stuff your pockets with tens of thousands of dollars in a very short period of time, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this battle-tested Facebook marketing course for less than you'd spend on a movie ticket. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And hold on, because I'm about to make this even better. When you take action and grab this right now, you'll get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is Cheat Sheet that breaks down the entire course into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and see success. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get results with Facebook marketing. And fast action bonus number 4 is a Facebook marketing infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay on task. And to make this completely irresistible, you don't even have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this step-by-step guide to make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside the course, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to drive highly targeted traffic leveraging Facebook both free and for pennies, then click the button below to get instant access and get started today.